Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today, lalaro tayo Need More Money. First time ko na ito maglalaro. Ay, nilalaro ganun. Ito, dollar. Hindi kami dollar. Best pa. Ano kami? Pera. Oo, today is the day that GTA 6 release. But I'm not old enough to buy it. Maybe I can convince my brother to buy it for me. Okay, saan tayo pumunta? May pera o. Ay, pinto. Door. Ay, saan si brother? Si mami? Walang brother! Ito. Hey brother, can you buy this game for me since I have good grades? Why can't you buy it? Because I'm not old enough. Alright, well, I'm not playing for it, so you better have some... Ay, hindi ko pa nabasa eh. But, no, I want more money than that. Be, kita mo kanina. Hindi real yan. Very disgusting. Okay. Talk to my brother. Alright, how about now? Huh? $5. Nah. Okay, maybe there's some money elsewhere in the house. Tagal kasi ako, hindi ako English ko yan. Money. Huwag mo ko tignan, okay? Huwag ko talaga na... Ito, open. Kasi ang ganda ng bahay yun, parang pwede naman telebas. Need more muscle. Buying houses, buying cars, buying flowers, buying lawns. Okay. Very mindful. No, nasa na ako. I'm certain I get enough for you now. Andiyan ako. $10. It's better but still not enough. Oh yeah, I got a piggy bank. Let's break it. Hindi ko makita sarili ko. Saan piggy bank mo? Ay, wow. Grabe, ang dami. No, ang bilis ko na nga eh. Okay, I got some more money now. Yan. Ano? $18. Give me more. Alright, maybe mom can give me some money. Oh no. Oh, naiinis na ako dyan. Yeah. Hey mom. Hey son. Can I get some money? And why and how much? I need to buy some... Ay wow. Some school books. I need $10. Alright then. 10. Then and 10. Then 10. Hindi ko pinapunod. Brother, I have money now. So, close. $28. I want more. Bro, maybe I can sell flowers outside. Paano mo isa-sell yung flowers outside? Paano mo gagawin? Oh, blue! May blue! Blue collection. Ay, skibidi. Saan ko isa-sell yung flowers? Kasi ang ganda ng puno. Tingnan mo flowers, ang ganda. Hindi ko buying houses, buying cars. Ay, ito buying. Ay, sale. Ganun pala. ako bibili tayo ng ano. Hindi pala ako po-fish market. Paano tayo mag-sale? But I beg your pardon for my disturbance. But can you check again? Okay. Or okay. $38. I want more. Bro, maybe I can cut down or 3 cents. Ayun. Kaya pala may dahilan. Bakit? Ano, may buying logs. Disgusting. Hindi ko ito makat. Ay, naku. Cut. I don't cut. Wala ko dyan. Babe, magpapatila. Dyan. Ayoko na. Hindi natin alam paano mag-cut. Ay, sell lang. Kaya pala. Isa-isa daw yun. Ay, naku. I just wasted 1 minute. Bilis! Ano ka naman? I just wasted 1 minute. Hindi ko kasi nakita yung objective. Boing! Close. Check my wallet. Ice cream wallet. Okay. 48. Hindi ko lang nakalimutan ko. Be, 38 ulit? Pero magsalita yung logs. Okay. Paano yun? So, pinutin lang natin to. I donate. I want to donate. Sure. Kaya kung ano. Nasaan na mga tao? I'm just an innocent boy. Hello, fight. Nasaan na mga tao? Now, ay Allah. Bug, check my wallet. So, sakit mo. Yung ka na magbasa. Ha? Dito yung ano mo. Buying cars. Talk tayo, talk. Hey, got a car to sell? Yup. What type of car? Lamborghini. Okay. Base stealing to. May kaya yun. What? Dalawa yung ano. Alis 200 ako, kuya. Wala. Okay. Check it now. $260. Wow, this is much. Yan. No, I want more. Yung ka na mag-ano. Gusto ko na mag-check. Feel the pool. Okay. Ano tayo Pluto's 3 gods of money. Hear my prayers. Look, what? Fill my pool with time wealth. What? Fill my pool with money. Oh, ay, wala siya. Let's do Let's go, boy. Boy. Okay. Okay. Grab the store. Hay nako. This is shop. Hindi yan store, shop yun. Okay. This is a robbery. Oh, we don't. Well, you know, I really just wanted. Okay, wala pa. Paputukin na lang kita, te. Yeah. Talk to brother. Brother. Brother, I need your help, brother. We need some emergency. Ayoko na magbasa. So, pumilaw ng money. So, the host. Mami, okay lang yun. So, sasabihin natin may house. So, ba't ko calling your house? Hey, want to sell your house? Look, put the risk. Yes, sir. I'm guessing your house is the one behind you. Yup, manam. Okay, I'll give you 100,000. Okay. Paano naman kukuha yun? Ano yan? Paano? Oh my god, thin air! Oh my god. Okay na. Kaya wala na tayong bahay. Kasi bumaba. Wala na. Wala pa mo. Need more money! Ano naman? I-talk to this. If I part so much that you do you read it? Pim, 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 pim. Aliens. Smell aliens. Hey aliens, this is the Earth I own it. Oh, okay. The one bite for 1 trillion? Yeah, sure. It's really good. Be disgusting. Sounds good. Yan, okay. Talk to brother. Hindi ko kunin naman itong art. Wala ka maglalaro, wala ka ng bahay. Pati walang mundo. Eating maybe. Okay. Yes, I'm rich. Thank you guys for watching. And please like and subscribe to ano mo. Di ko alam. Basta. Bye-bye. Thanks.